It's okay.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. So as you see, we want to eat our delicious food we prepare. Okay, this is banana and millet swallow. Okay, it's on my YouTube channel how we prepare it, and it's very nice. This is for weight loss.
Weight loss.
And we take it with pineapple. Okay,
this is about 6 p.m. right now.
Yes,
so this is our dinner. Okay,
this is night food. If you want to eat swallow for night, just take this banana with millet swallow. It's very nice.
How we prepare the millets, the millet is on our YouTube channel. The millet and banana, how it's been done, is on our YouTube channel, so check it out. So we are eating it. Philip, you finish your juice so fast.
Yeah, take.
Don't worry.
Oh, I'm back.
Right. Philip, wait. Beautiful people, this texture is extraordinary. You are invited.
You are invited. Oh.
Yeah.
This egusi soup, how we prepare it is on my YouTube channel. It's nice.
Very tasty. The green banana has so much numerous benefits. In fact, I will not be eating ripe banana anymore.
This one is nice.
Ripe banana is nice, but the green one, wow, fantastic. It's
This is another way of eating brown amala. We call it amala, soft amala. Smooth.
Manuela is sleepy. She's not with us at the moment. When she wakes up, she'll eat her own. Philip, you like it? Yeah, eat too. Wow, this texture.
See the texture. It's nice.
We are flushing it down with our juice.
This pineapple. This one is I prepare it by myself. This is nice.
this time we have this era of high cost of living, inflation, you know, we need to try as much as possible to eat quality food. You know, I always believe that when you fail to eat quality food, then you are bound to spend money in places like hospital or the drugstore. Because I personally believe that eating quality food is the same thing as, you know, taking quality drugs. If you don't spend good money to eat quality food, you spend that money in the hospital. And buying drugs is more expensive than buying food. Wow, I really enjoy this food. So nutritious.
Banana and millet. Watch out for our previous video how we prepare millet. It's on my YouTube channel. How we prepare banana powder. It's on my YouTube channel. I'm okay like this one. In fact, motiyo. Really please your food.
Like, share, comment.
Before Manela will come and eat your fish.
Manana will come and eat your fish. Turn up the notification bell to all.
Pineapple you order with kima mouton. Make I dey
sweep.
Make I dey sweep the juice small. Fat.
Wow, beautiful people. I'm okay.
With goat meat. Watch how we prepare our fresh goat meat. It's on my YouTube channel. We are eating it small.
Yes, so
once in a while.
You know, as an adult, eating too much meat is
not good for our health.
So we just add small.
Small.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, comment. See you in our next video. Philip, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mwah.